TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it a goal to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you'll learn to have the perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials right now trading up 181. You get NASDAQ down 7. S&Ps are up 12.5. Gold contract flat, 1271.10. Silver up 13 cents, $16.46 an ounce. Copper's up a penny at $3.03 a pound. Light sweet crude, that's the number, folks, up 4.5%. Trading up $3, $68.72, and you get wide price spread, volume behind the move. You got it all. Notes and bonds. Notes and bonds are flat. 10-year note, 119.27. 30-year bond, 144. King dollar down 219 ticks, trading at 94.185. The euro is trading at 116.62 to one US dollar. The yen is at 109.91 to one US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's go take a look at them. We'll go look at the SPY first. SPY right now trading up $1.15. You've done 31 million shares. We had gone downtown on Tuesday with 97 million. You go downtown yesterday with 71 million. Bottom line, folks, you are building cars for downtown, big time. NDX 100. We take a look at the 3Qs. What do you have with the 3Qs? 3Qs out here, little different animal. Why? Okay, so yesterday you come downtown, 43 million shares. Well, guess what? You're going lower, and you have 21 million shares. So that's going to more than likely try to get into the 176.65 level. Once again, the composite, NASDAQ composite, if we take a look at the composite, same type of setup inside the composite. What I expect we're going to see out here today, let's go look at this for a second, because it looks like the composite is going to have lighter volume also. We're at 1.5 billion. It is. So the NASDAQ composite as well as the NDX 100 does not look like they're done yet. We go over to the Dow Industrials. Bottom line, whole different animal. This thing, bottom line, I suspect is done. This is probably setting up a B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. What we have, this has been a one-way move down for the last 10, 12 days. Right now, we started out, on the 11th of June. We're 25,400. Bottom line, you're 24,600 right now. We came down with volume all the way down. Yesterday we did 807. You're doing a dead cat bounce out here today. You'll probably do about 700 million, maybe 650. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold? And that may be setting up an ABC down, folks. That's how that's setting up. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks, finished its ABC structure on the way down. We had the price projection out here of 1267. You got to 1262.40. Bottom line, you're at 1271. What we'd be looking for right now inside the gold contract next week is a sign of strength. No sign of strength yet. Silver. We would dab with silver, different animal. Silver right now up 13 cents. Silver never broke out of its range. Never broke its lowest swing point, and then on top of that, you get volume behind the move, which is really cool. Silver's a different animal right now. So silver, bottom line, still wants higher price. 1780, which is the swing point going back 5 months, is game. If we do go look at some of the gold and silver stocks, you're going to see they're also catching a bid. If we start with the GDX, this was right off the bat this morning. Bottom line is that GDX right now is up 27 cents. You've done 16 million shares. And what we will see coming into the close out here is that you're going to see volume come into the GDX. They like throwing volume in at the close. If we take this and we put this on a weekly basis, what you're going to see is you have two different things. You're going to have volume come into the close so you stay in the range. On the weekly basis, you're going to have a rejection of lower price going against its strength from the 13th, the week of the 13th of April. Bottom line, it's a good setup. We've done approximately, we're going to do about 125 million going into 220. You got a rejection of price, closed higher, bottom line wants higher price. We take a look at a few of the, well, let's go to the XAU, the HUI. You'll see the bids are all there. XAU up 98 cents, $81.81. You take that and put it on a weekly, you get the same type of setup. Rejection of lower price, lighter volume on the weekly. Gold Bugs Index, same type of setup. Gold Bugs Index right now is up 226, trading 176.87. You put that on a weekly, same type of setup. So, bonds. Let's go into the ever-ready bond market. That bond market, folks, still wants higher price. It's pretty amazing, actually. 10-year note. It's flat out here. You're at 119.27. Bottom line, we are done. We made a higher low this week. Still had light volume on the pullback. This thing is building cause to get up and into the high that was generated on the 30th of May, which is the 121.03 number. 30-year bonds, same type of setup inside the 30-year. 30-year right now, USU 8. 30-year bond, trading flat, 144 even. Did the same type of setup. Nice setup, man. This 30-year, you know, your swing high, your last swing high is 145.28. Bottom line, it wants to make a run for it. 30-year, it didn't even come close to the lowest swing point this week. So, big numbers. And King Dollar, what do we got with King Dollar? Okay, so King Dollar, you know, down slightly today, no big deal. Bottom line, what you're not doing is holding price. You know, we're right near the lows of the day. 94.095 is the low. We're at 94.190. If we take a look at this and you put this on a continuous contract, what you're going to see out here is that we got into the October 2017 swing high, rejected it. That swing high is 95.070. Rejected it, and bottom line is that sets up. Guess what? We'll have the retracement. We'll see where this baby goes. And if you're a bull inside the metals market, you want to see an expansion of volume as it goes to the lower price. If you're a bear, if you're a bear in the metals market, you want to see a contraction with light volume. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Some of the higher volume equities out here. We have Micron Tech's down $1.91. You got Comcast up 132. Verizon is up $1.09. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.